In this video, I will show you how to use AutoDS for dropshipping. I'll go over everything from how you can find products using AutoDS, how you can import them onto your store. This can be on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify. In this video, I will show you how to use AutoDS for dropshipping. I'll go over everything from how you can find products using AutoDS, how you can import them onto your store. This can be on Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Shopify, or any of the other platforms that integrates with AutoDS, so you can see those right here. Then I'll also cover how the order fulfillment works and basically just how you can use AutoDS for dropshipping. Now first off, you can see usually they offer a 14-day trial for $1. However, if you click on the link down in the description, it will take you to this page where you simply want to go and enter your email address, full name, password, or sign up with Google. Then right here, choose the platform that you would like to sell on. So it can be any of these, so Shopify, TikTok, whichever one. I'll just go with Shopify and click continue. And now you will see if you sign up through the link down in the description, you will get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days for $1. Now you can set it to monthly and still you will get this free trial. Now personally, I recommend the middle plan right here, which is usually also the most popular, but the reason I recommend this one is that you get the price and stock monitoring, which is really helpful. So I'll just start my 30-day free trial on this plan. So I've now started my 30-day free trial. So just gonna close this thing right here. And then step number 1 is to actually go and connect your store. So click add store right there. And now for Shopify, they have 3 options. You can choose that you already have a Shopify store that you would like to connect. You can use AI to generate a pre-built Shopify store, or if you don't have a Shopify store, you can create one yourself. Now for this example, I'll just use the AI to generate a pre-built Shopify store. This also comes with their handpicked products, and now you can just click continue. Now next you can select your niche if you are doing an AI built store. For example, I'll go with home and garden and click next. Now AI is building the store for you, and then it will provide the login details. As you can see right here, you can now use these details to log into your Shopify store. So I've now logged into my Shopify store that was just created by the AutoDS AI. So right here, you can now go and describe your products or brand. For example, I'll say home and garden products, then you can click generate themes. And now your online store will be created right here. So let's just go and use this theme right here. So the balance one, and click on try theme. So now we have our store, and now just go and click exit in the top left. Now as you can see right here, this is the store that it has created. So it's in the theme that I entered, and you can see they've even added some products right here. So now if you go and go back to AutoDS right here, you will see right here in the product section, it has added all of these products for me already. Now you can also do this with Etsy, eBay, or any different platform. So these are all in the niche that you picked. And you can see some of them are from AliExpress, some are from Walmart, some are from Amazon, so they are using different suppliers. Now you can also go and open up the marketplace right here, and then in my case I would go to, for example, home improvement, and then I can take, for example, this air humidifier and click import draft, and it's super simple. Now you just go to your drafts, and then it will show up in your drafts right here. You can then edit the name, the price and stuff like that, and then just publish it to your store. Now you can also click on add products, and then you can import products from any of these suppliers right here. For example, if you want to import from AliExpress, just go and click AliExpress, then enter the URL or product ID right there, and then just paste in the link basically. And then once you click publish to store, it will be added to your store automatically. So that's how AutoDS makes it really simple. Now here in your orders, you will see all of the orders you have gotten on your store. Now you do need to have auto order credits if you want to have the automatic order fulfillment. Now you can see you get 5 of them when creating your account, which will let you fulfill 5 orders. Now if you want to get more, you can click on buy credits right there, and you can get them for as low as 20 cents per credit or per order basically. So just going to click buy now, and then just going to purchase those credits, and then you will have more orders that will be fulfilled automatically. So AutoDS will order them from the supplier and send them out to your customer. Then AutoDS also has a dashboard where you can really easily track your profit, orders, revenue and stuff like that. And now basically when someone just orders something from my Shopify store, AutoDS will handle the order fulfillment and I keep the profit. So now you can start promoting this store, and you now know how you can actually use AutoDS for dropshipping. Again, if you want to get the 30-day free trial instead of 14 days for $1, you can go and sign up to AutoDS using the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.